Welcome to FutureScholarNetwork, where we uncover how the human mind keeps evolving. Today, we explore neuroplasticity, the brain's incredible ability to rewire and adapt, even in adulthood. What is neuroplasticity? Neuroplasticity means the brain can form new neural connections throughout life. It's the science that proves learning doesn't stop when school ends. Breaking the myth of fixed intelligence. For decades, people believed intelligence was set in stone, but research now shows that practice, curiosity, and challenge can literally reshape the brain. How adults learn differently. Adults learn through reflection, experience, and real-world problem solving. Neuroplasticity allows mature brains to integrate new knowledge more meaningfully. The mechanism behind change. Each time you learn a skill, neurons fire together and strengthen their connection. Repetition turns weak pathways into powerful habits of thought. Learning new skills at any age. Whether it's learning a new language, coding, or playing music, your brain stays capable. The key is consistent practice and an open mindset toward mistakes. The role of motivation and emotions are the glue that help memories stick. A passionate learner rewires their brain faster than one who studies without purpose. Overcoming cognitive barriers. Forgetfulness and slow recall don't mean decline, they mean unused circuits. Revive them with curiosity, creativity, and continuous engagement. Science-proven brain boosters. Exercise, sleep, mindfulness, and social learning strengthen neural plasticity. These habits build the foundation for lifelong cognitive flexibility. Reimagining adult learning. The classroom of the future isn't limited by age. It's powered by the belief that every adult brain is a work in progress, capable of renewal and reinvention. Conclusion: your brain, rewired for tomorrow. Neuroplasticity is not just science, it's hope. It means it's never too late to grow, learn, and transform who you are. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel for more videos.